Hey all, Alex here with Tech Corner, here to walk you through how to create a shortcut for shutting down your computer and restarting your computer right from your desktop with one click. Let me go ahead and show you how to do this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to right click on here, my desktop, and click on New and select Shortcut. I'm going to type in Shutdown. -R, the R indicates I want to restart. -T indicates the time interval, how long I want it to count down before it starts restarting. So I usually do 0, but you can increase the time by seconds if you want. Once I've done that, we're going to go ahead and click Next. We're going to give it a command or rename it. So I'm going to hit Restart. We're going to go ahead and hit Finish. Now we can see it here on my desktop, but it looks not that fancy. It's kind of bland. So we're going to give it change the icon here, and I'm going to do a whole segment on. I created this icon using Windows Designer, so I'm going to do a whole segment on that later on. So if you're interested in Windows Designer for AI generated images, subscribe to my channel to get notified when that video posts. So we're going to right click on this, and we're going to go ahead and click on Properties. We're going to hit Change Icon, click OK. We're going to hit Browse. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on our little shutdown icon and keep our fingers crossed. Click OK, apply, and there's our little shutdown restart icon here. We're going to do the same thing for shutdown. So we're going to right click on our desktop, go to New, Shortcut. Now we're going to type in Shutdown. And then instead of typing -R, we're going to type in -S for shutdown. And then our -T, and then 0. Click OK, give it a name. Okay, and then again we're going to kind of snazzy up our icon here, so we're going to go right click and go to Properties, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to Change Icon, click OK, go to Browse, we're going to click on our restart icon here, boom, click OK, apply, click OK, and there we go. And we've got our two icons for one restarting the computer, and the other one is for shutting down, and all you have to do is double click on it, and that's it. You don't have to go to Start, this whole procedure where you go to Start, click on your name, click on the little power button, and select your option. All you have to do is just click on the little icon, those two icons. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel or interested in supporting this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.